Rita, why you dey support Iyore for this evil lie, Rita? Rita, wetin make you dey support Iyore for this evil lie? Rita, you just see am say Iyore your open mouth just carry evil brainwashing lie come out. Rita, you dey support am. Rita, we go wazwa. Rita, you go later we emani mare kokobiri. We uzuome o worry yan. Rita, we go wazwa. Imagine Iyore you carry big lie you come out, big lie you dey carry big lie take spoil social media. Rita, Kokobiri wife, you come out come dey support her. You dey insult Kate, wetin Kate do? Because the Kate dey talk the real truth. Rita, mother go call Rita come for me mumu Rita. Rita will not get sense. Rita, you not get sense. Okay, now Kate come out dey support, they real talk the truth, they analyze wetin Iyore do. For you to know say Iyore carry evil lie on social media. Rita, Iyore carry evil lie on social media. You dey support Iyore for this evil lie, Rita. Rita, amu where ya? It mean say it mean one me we asene kokorobi wa gie you o he o wa mu where ya na Rita. Rita, asene kokobiri wa gie you o he o mu where ya na Rita. But I'm here to we wazwa. Okay, Iyore now, okay, want me Iyore notice you. Okay, you want me Iyore notice you, Abi? Rita, okay, you want me Iyore notice you. See Rita, oh. Rita, what did they worry you? You get sense? No, we not feel leave saga, my sister. Come on, we not feel leave saga. Saga continue. 70 years saga, now I continue. So 70 years saga. 70 years saga, now I continue. 70 years. Because me no go dey life. Iyore you carry bad, evil lie on social media. Rita go the supporter. Rita go the supporter. Iyore, Rita support you well. Rita support you well. You know they see evil lie where Rita carry Iyore carry on social media. What kids do? Rita we attack with my video message me kaya kam Iyore we mami ove. You want to say you no see video we me tell to say Iyore me mami ove we attack with my beg ne ogbu Rita. Ne ogbu all the na avec qui ni Redo State mwe konu Rita. Avec qui na Redo State nya fie kunlele we. Rita no na wugbe o. We attack with my beg video me ya gbu yero gun Rita. We attack with my beg video ni. Ba na emie we Keti we munya. Ba na emie Keti we yi munya na ogun gbera gbiju Rita. We wa la de Iyore upon the whole lie we Iyore your talk. We no say the kind lie we Iyore talk. You dey support Iyore for that kind lie. Rita, why you evil? Why you evil, Rita? You first come out for this social media, you say na hook up you want to start. People come they follow you like say na hook up. You don't use hook up, gather follower finish. You come enter mumu saga, they support Iyore. Why you go they support Iyore, Rita? Mother go call her, come for me. Person you they share video they give me now say Rita they support Iyore. If they attack Kate, wetin Kate do you? It not be stupidity when they worry you. Why you go they support? Why you go they support Iyore for this evil lie? Iyore come and say 63,000 person give dash 63,000. Which person dash Iyore 63,000? If Iyore not the lie, make Iyore bring the girl come and make everybody see the girl with dash Iyore 63,000. Because everybody say more quiet. Because we say more quiet, what did they worry all of you now? Now they craze. Because all of us say more quiet, what did they worry all of you now? Oh, Agbewa. Abia Zaza all our life. You just come and they support Iyore. Where you know say Iyore stupid. Iyore carry big lie on social media. That means who we are making your bar. Where to buy a carry who over here Dorita. Am I at who over here do because the way you take they do slow poison they follow believe people. They not say you not be real Benirita. Who over here do? Okay, I can Iyore you carry big lie on social media. Say person dash 63,000 euro. Rita they support that kind of person. Rita they support that kind of person. For you to tell Iyore say what you are doing is bad. Don't be brainwashing the those citizens. Don't be brainwashing people in social media. Now you are supporting Iyore for nonsense. Why? Rita, why you go to support Iyore? When they show me the video, I say they insult Kate. What did Kate do you? Kate when we are married Kokobiria. Kate when the Kokorobia gase you here. Rita. Kate when the Kokobiria gase you here. Mother of three nation. Kate when the Kokorobiria gase you here. Rita. Kate as you egbe. Kate when the Kokorobiria gase you here. Rita. The Zaza gana like you wawe. We will not see truth, we will not go talk truth. Una go dey support evil. Eruwe la de una support Vera wedere we Vera. Wa support Vera we Vera or we no magba. Wa support Vera. Why na be say una dey support evil people for this social media? Why? Why na go dey support evil people? Mona go call that Kate call for me. Mother of 3 nation, mother of 10 nation. What might be a different type of nation? What ye la do azuo? Oh, Kate when the kokorobri gas you Rita. Kate when the kokorobri gas you we go azua. Wala de wa do support Yori for this nuisance wey Yori do Rita. Rita who ezuasha you beast. Why ata me Rita we to beast and I get to a beast Rita. What is was this social media say oh the full social media Rita is was this social media Rita iwu is was umenwa na nyate umenwa from Victor idene ubege ibozese ni jene ibozese ni jene we to bu have a bozese nu we to bu we do zuwa we borita have a bozese nu we Rita we gugwana mona dey share this video make it for the see this video mona dey share Rita we gugwana in Nigeria because who was war. Why go and win? I say because I have no sense in our social media. You see, I say Rita na isoko woman. Yes, I talk. You see, I am going na yewe of isoko. He isoko na akberak biju Rita. No guna me na akbiju Ubega of isoko no. You can't tell me Rita na obi do. See, I don't fancy yewe yewe isoko. They say be isoko person. Rita, they say be isoko person. Rita, yewe of isoko. Isoko be. You dey hear when the letter say be Isoko woman. You come back on the insult Benin people they misbehave Rita. What did they worry you? What is this say you carry big like on social media? You carry big like because everybody say more yoki quiet more live and say you just see come at the supporter. Rita your old up pass be careful. For real, if anybody not talk to you your old up pass be careful Rita for real. What did they worry you? Rita, I bet Mona they share this video. Mona they share I they paro this afternoon. What did they worry Rita? You come and they support Yore. Okay, if you really say the girl when they say give Yore how much 60,000 euro, make the girl come out, make they investigate that girl. Rita, for you to they support Yore, you know if they Yore say make the girl come out. May you go scatter your family here, Rita. You know if you come out, Rita, you come out now. Okay, now you tell you fall out. You say okay, Yore present that girl, make everybody send for social media. More see the girl will carry 63,000 euro go dash Yore. Where be say the girl will carry 1 million dash mama for us. That girl if you carry 1 million dash mama for us. Your boss say that girl mama they suffer for Nigeria now. They suffer. I want die for village. Rita carry money. The girl carry 63,000 euro. Go dash Yore will be presenter. Which can lie be all those things? Because everybody say more forget the matter more boss. You see they come out again. Come they support Yore. What did they worry you Rita? You they craze? I bet you balu wabi Yore. Who wabi Yore wo tell we bona. I bet you work bell. What did they worry na? A keti not to target of a corner analyze the matter never when ya lele Yore. We have to support oh dokba wabi Yore ala. Since we got a recognition metiabonu when Yore had like winner. Since metiabonu winner. Now you and Yore come be afraid now. I believe say through this video you and Yore come be afraid. Now be tax friend. Now method that punish Yore. I think they worry now. Now they craze. You carry big lie on social media. Big lie where be say lie where they tear person head. Carry big lie where they tear person head. Where people say they collapse. You carry on social media. People analyze the lie. Say okay now if not real true, bring the girl come and everybody appreciate the girl. You know if the person of it dash you 63,000 euro, close to 30 million naira. Close to 30 million naira. Person will dash one presenter. The girl will not stand for her. Who be the girl? The girl they craze. That girl they craze. Which guy you useless human being all these people? You all come and come they support Yore. For you know say Yore don't fuck up. Why you not the hard for one of the support Ogioba? Two where they support Mokife so Bokereno. Erita, two where they support Mokife so Bokereno because wait till they be. My man tell me say they support Mokife so back. Bro, when they share this video, my people, when they share this video, I want Merita they see her. I don't work since I don't feel work because of these useless people. Imagine winner because of these useless people. Imagine winner. I want to support Yore because where Yore fuck up in. Why you support Yore ba? Where you know say Yore don't fuck up? Why support Yore ba na? Nezaza ga leg yo wa werita. Why you take it? We have a video in my yata with me not fit sleep. You want to me say you not watch that video? We are go apoko gossiper. We are we my beg apoko gossiper. We are we my beg video ni apoko gossiper no gun biju egbera Rita Visoko. Isoko woman, you come man, they speak Benin. Never speak Isoko one day. Who gave me lolo nezefra? Who gave me lolo nezesa? Erita. Who gave me lolo nezesa? Gumegwa, te do nyange lolo nezesa ni meke na. Who gave me lolo nezesa? Umezi Isoko de nuya la social media. Umezi Isoko de, they say you are from Isoko woman. Kokobiri wife now they talk to someone. I go call her call for me. Useless Kokobiri wife will not get sense. Oh, wow, yo ga konwe. Ave nagbalo ya kon. Yasile ya in everderio. Awu yasile ya in uzuwa gogoyo. What did they worry you? How come you gonna support Yore for evil lie when Yore do? You don't see comment everybody right one. Everybody insult you here now. You know say you stupid. They support Yore. Where you know say Yore don't fuck up. Where you know say Yore don't fuck up. Kokobiri wife. Yore fuck up in where Yore get a larger do Akiama where I'm 63,000 euro ni. Where everybody knows a big lie be that one. Oh, but that matter not finish on social media. We'll start to analyze that matter now. Where I pretend you were begging me this guagua why tena. You want to even see my video? What take this guagua Yore for that? Now you going to come out Rita. And I say you do one video, sis. You do on that video. I tell they see all those videos. We know they see person where be say they retalk. One tena. What did Rita do? What did Kate do you? Mona go tell Rita say what Kate do? Why at here go me? Mona they share this video. Go me or the paro for her. Man, stop him when I go Vanana do what? Me don't stop work this afternoon. I don't the paro. For real, I don't the paro. Beggars Joshua Nijena. Oh, go Joshua na here. I'm boo. But we are social media now. For Joshua Nijena. Be for Joshua Nijena. Na do am boo. Obameji. Hanga mu boo Obameji. Because we not feel yours now. You're the stupid for social media all the time. What did they worry now? You're the spoil beneath people nail the town. They spoil beneath people nail. Rita, we are guzua. Did you come out they support Yore? Wait, no say Yore don't fuck up. What did you pay me pass? I don't see say they do video. They support Yore for 63,000 euros. Say now true say they give them money. Rita, people who they follow Rita, now God will punish you now. If man support Rita, people who they follow one, now God will punish you now. Why Rita they misbehave? What did they worry Rita? Rita, what worry you where? What did they worry you? Well, you know say Yore carry 63,000 likes on social media. You know what is 63,000 euro? Carry 63,000 euro like on social media. My people, I bet when they share this video. Now they share this video. And they paro. When they share this video because I got the paro this afternoon. Because of this woman, I close my work because of this woman. What did they worry you, Rita? You they crazy? You come and you're gonna misbehave, they misbehave because nobody they talk to you. What did they worry you, Rita? You they mad? You they support Yore, you they support God, you they support Yore Rita. Rita Odeni Yore la Rita. Odeni Yore la Rita la Rita, Odeni Yore la. Odeni Yore la Rita, we Allah. O dokma wa bi Yore Allah for real. Now the same road you and Yore will pass. Whether devil like it or not, Rita, now the same road you and Yore will pass. For all this lie when I tell they shake social media, so you come out, you say now hook up in what they do. You leave hook up now, you want to join Yore, they lie. Yore, ubege hotel webo now. Wa lefe. Hotel webo ni mayaje na Hotel webo ni mayaje na wa lefe Yore. For real. For real. We wa here ask at social media na Maguwaru we. I want more wa just social media do this go social media all the time. Rita you come now. A Kate no go over here. Why you at bone Kate? Kate who? Na don't want they pay me pa wetin Kate do. Because a Kate they talk the truth. A Kate hear it matter. The Rita no go na gbiju Why you tie the Rita go? Why you tie gume? Rita ne zaza gana like jegbe lere igyo wa gegbe. Rita wetin dey worry you dey craze? I know they want my video they long because you don't make this video they long. They tell the video me at the zaza ga Allah we bariana. See don't worry. Ya do buzz the same way sona. Don't worry. Ya buzz the same way because anyway you na okay can do buzz the same way. You come out they support Yore for this nonsense where Yore they do. You they support Yore. Rita, you be bad person, Rita, you be real bad person. Rita, for you to they support Yore for this evil. Rita, you be bad person, you not be better person, Rita. When I go tell Rita, say Rita na bad person. Oh my dog, Rita. Kokobiri. Say you don't disgwagwa our sister finish. This is our sister where disgwagwa so Now God go disgwagwa you to Kokobiri. You don't use our sister to rubbish in Kokobiri. Kokobiri na God go punish you Kokobiri. Kokobiri anywhere you dare Kokobiri. Kokobiri go maka Kokobiri na God go punish you. The way you just scatter Rita for one hand, when say Rita no go get sense again, Kokobiri. You don't scatter Rita for one hand, Kokobiri. Kokobiri na God go punish you. Why tell me Kokobiri we ogun agbe Kokobiri Mariana or agbe Mariame. The village where you for call Kokobiri na God go punish you. Which guy you might be this one? You know you carry lack on social media. See they give us 63,000. Everybody lock up. Kokobiri, now God will punish you for real. You hear me so? Now God will punish you, Kokobiri, for all this thing when they do so. For all this lie when they laugh on social media. See, Kokobiri, you are your wife. I know you die better. They come and they support Iyore. When we are told on social media now. You can't go to Benin and let them forgive you your sins, Iyore. Let them forgive you your sins. You not go make them forgive you for your sins. You not go make them forgive you for your sins, Abi. You they come out, they call this Gwagwa Benin people, Iyore. Erita, where? Ya gbe laja nu,